In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get Robux in Please Donate. So I'm going to tell you three ways to get a Robux in Please Donate. So the first method is to get Robux in Please Donate is to set up a stand. So guys, before setting up a stand, you just need to create a game pass or a close on your account. Once you create it, you just need to go to any empty stand like I am here and just hold this E button. Hold this E button to list your items here. So if once someone purchase any item from this your stand, then you will get 70% out of it. So that's the one method. That is the first method you can use to get Robux in Please Donate. The second method is, guys, Please Donate occasionally releases codes that can be redeemed for free Robux. So you can use these codes on a game. You can find these codes on the game official websites and or our social media. So you just need to use these redeem codes by clicking on this blue button and just enter your codes here and just click on redeem button and your code. By using your code, you can get free Robux in Please Donate. Fine. So that's the second way to earn Robux in Please Donate. And the third method is quite easy. And if you have more friends, you will be benefited more. So you can earn Robux by inviting your friends to play Please Donate. And for every friend who sign up and make a donation, you will receive 10% of the amount donated. But it depends. Your friend must donate some Robux in Please Donates. Fine. So these are the three ways. These are the three methods you can try out to earn Robux in Please Donate. And if you find this video helpful, please like the button and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you're new on channel. Till then, bye bye.